Welcome back to TNA Auto Reviews, where classic automobiles and the stories behind them come alive once again. Today, we step into post-war America to explore a car that dared to be different at a time when most manufacturers played it safe, the innovative and stylish 1950 Studebaker Champion. The Studebaker Champion arrived during a period of renewal and optimism. America was moving forward after World War II, and the auto industry was eager to introduce fresh ideas. Studebaker responded with a design that broke away from the heavy, boxy look of pre-war cars. The Champion featured smooth, flowing body lines, an aircraft-inspired nose, and a low, aerodynamic profile that instantly set it apart from its competitors. It looked modern, efficient, and surprisingly advanced for its time. Under the hood, the Champion was powered by a reliable inline-six engine that focused on fuel economy rather than brute strength. In an era when gasoline efficiency was becoming important, the Champion stood out for delivering impressive mileage without sacrificing everyday usability. It wasn't built to race, it was built to serve families, commuters, and long-distance drivers who valued dependability and sensible engineering. Inside, the Studebaker Champion offered a comfortable and thoughtfully designed cabin. Wide seating, a clear instrument layout, and generous visibility made it easy and pleasant to drive. The interior reflected Studebaker's philosophy of practical comfort, not excessive luxury, but quality materials and smart design choices that stood the test of time. What truly made the 1950 Champion special was its forward-thinking attitude. Studebaker proved that innovation didn't require massive budgets or oversized engines. Instead, it required creativity, courage, and a willingness to challenge convention. The Champion's design influenced future automotive styling and helped establish Studebaker as one of the most daring American manufacturers of the era. Today, the 1950 Studebaker Champion is celebrated as a symbol of originality and post-war optimism. Its distinctive styling and honest engineering continue to attract collectors and enthusiasts who appreciate cars that were bold enough to stand out. At TNA Auto Reviews, we recognize the Studebaker Champion not just as a classic automobile, but as a reminder that innovation often comes from those willing to take risks. Thanks for watching TNA Auto Reviews. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more iconic classics and the stories that shaped automotive history.